Hello everyone, I'm from XCMG Earthmoving Manufacturing Business Unit. Next, I'm going to introduce the intelligent manufacturing base of large tonnage loaders of the XCMG. The base covers an area of 220,000 square meters. It's the largest single integrated plant in the loader industrial. The assembly plant we are in now covers an area of 52,000 square meters, and it's composed of source assembly line, north assembly line, and a storage area and a large tonnage assembly line. The large tonnage assembly line is responsible for the assembly of 6 or larger tonnage loaders and special orders. The Chinese biggest loader, LW 1400K, was assembled here. The storage area is a waiting area after all the processed parts are completed. The online dictation area is mainly used to test the performance of the whole machine. After the whole machine is offline, it will be tested here. And look, above us is the product put chain convey system. The total length of this convey system is 11 kilometers. In the mid-air, these processed parts will be offline at the corresponding stations on both sides according to the CNC instructions and transported to the corresponding process in the logistic transshipment area on the ground. We configure a large number of AGV which can achieve accurate distribution. And then, look, on my left hand is the source assembly line, which mainly produces 4 series of 3 tons loaders. And my right hand side is the north assembly line, which mainly produces 5 tons loaders and LNG natural gas loaders. The 2 lines are 180 meters, which can achieve about 100 units daily output. The above is the introduction I brought to you.